Xerox PrimeLink B9100 series printer, replacing the staple cartridges. Staple cartridges are contained in the finisher. New staples can be purchased as refills or complete staple housing assemblies. This presentation shows how to remove and load a staple cartridge with a refill. Note: once reloaded, the procedure to reinstall the cartridge is identical to installing a new complete one. Open the finisher front door and pull out the duplex drawer. Grasp the stapler cartridge handle and push down and away from the drawer to release. Then pull up and out to remove. Squeeze the stapler cartridge release button to open the cartridge and access the empty refill housing. Push down the empty refill housing and swing it away from the cartridge to remove. Position the new refill housing. Insert it into the cartridge housing, then push it down and back to secure. Close the stapler cartridge, ensuring that the release button tabs latch and the cartridge is secure. Reposition the stapler cartridge in the duplex tray, then push it down and back, ensuring the cartridge is secure. Repeat the process for the remaining two staple cartridges if necessary. Push in the duplex drawer, then close the finisher front door. User guide, system administrator guide, and other documentation are available online at https://www.support.xerox.com.